Okay guys, check this place out. This is too cool. This is in Ko Chang in Thailand. Fisherman's village. That's some kind of bird. This place is really cool, man. All of these traps, and there's lots of them. I was surprised they're designed to catch squid or cuttlefish actually. That's mangrove swamp over there. All mangroves through here. This is really nice. I assume the government built this walkway. It's really long. I'll show you in a minute. Interested in the boat. And you can see all these boats, they got the homemade wooden traps on the roof. And look at all the weights, the rocks, the floats, the high flyers. A lot. Water bottles for floats. It works. Awesome old boats. I looked out through here. Most of these boats are in immaculate shape. Anchor, not so much. That thing's been around a while. You see, they all got their traps on the roof. Garbage bags for flags. Black flag on the ocean actually shows up really good. It's really cool through here, man. That looks like a lot of engine problems. The starter is sitting on the deck. The shaft is gone. This is cool. He's got a seat on the right on the front, right on the bow, and he's got an homemade setup to drive with. Cool little boat. I don't know if I'd want to be sitting up there. Personally, it's okay on a nice day. Someone's making a restaurant here. Cool place for it. Look at this one. This one kind of looks Japanese style. Not sure what the big hole in the deck is for. This one has seen better days. She's actually in really rough shape. Looks like she's been stripped. Oh yeah, even the hatch covers are gone. If you're going to take that much, you should take the boat and all. There's some more of these squid traps. It's a lot of work to make all of them. This is a beauty. She's got a brand new 250 horse Suzuki on her. She's a nice one. She is a nice one. That's a big motor. This is a tourist boat, I would say, this one. All the seats, fishing rods. Very touristy. Beautiful boat. Look at this. This must have been in the water for years and years. And a barnacle. Comes right off now. Crush it right off. Mussels, clams. Some more of it right there. It's an old seine net. It looks like. I saw a guy fixing one of those today. He had a big hole in it. It wasn't his first time fixing a net, that's for sure. He made it look a lot easier than it actually is. She's a little one. Most of these boats fish at night, yeah? At night you can see them all out in the ocean. All the lights. This must be where they sell their catch at. Lots of freezers and boxes, coolers, I guess. This is a cool place, man. Don't know what that is. Oh, high flyer light. I haven't seen one of those in 30 years probably. That yellow jug is from dish soap. You must have foam in it or something. Yeah, it's full of foam. That's pretty cool. She's a beauty. Offering to the gods. Most fishermen are superstitious in one way or another. Oh, she's nice. She's a trawler, I believe. Let's see. I'm not sure. Might be wrong. Those lights are for squid fishing. But this is what got me thinking she was a trawler. I thought there was a winch under there. Maybe not. Look at the big lights on this one. Different colors, red ones and green ones. Tourist boat. She's got a bathroom with a sit-down toilet. That's a tourist boat for sure. And a picnic table. Oh, we come to the end of the road. There's a couple of 4 nice catamaran yachts out there. I was looking over here as well, but from this angle it looks good, but from the shore it don't. It looks really, really bad. Look at the big lights on this one. Wow. Light up the ocean with that. Guys singing. Cool place, huh? Really freaking cool place, man. I love finding stuff like this. Got the laundry out to dry. That's always important. She's really nice boat. And you notice a lot of them have solar panels on them nowadays. Gotta charge your phone somehow, right? Alright guys, well that's it. This is a really cool place. This is on the east side of Ko Chang, nearly to the bottom. Awesome find. Glad I made the trip. This side of the island is totally different from the more touristy mountainous side on the west. It's like a totally different place altogether, which is very interesting. Alright guys, as always, thanks for watching. I do appreciate it.